Heidi here, and I am going to be sharing with you guys a Five Below haul. It is getting warm outside and sunny, and I'm getting really excited about decorating my deck and my patio. And my daughter-in-law calls me and she says, I'm in Five Below, you won't believe all the stuff that they have, and I'm so excited about it. And so we went, and I've made some purchases, and then I ended up going back the next day with Dylan to go get some more items, because I decided that it was such a great deal that I couldn't pass up. And at Five Below, if you are familiar with them, if you find things that you like, you have to get it right away or they sell out. And even though I went the very next day, they had been hit hard. But I was fortunate enough that they still had everything that I went for. And I wanted to share with you guys because probably in one of my vlogs, I'll be sharing and showing you how I'm going to be utilizing these items outside. It's raining today. Go figure, right? You get all excited, and then, you know, you get this weather that is horrendous. And but anyways, it's supposed to rain all week this week. But what I'm planning to do is to spray paint all of my lawn furniture this year and put new cushions and new lighting and just spruce it up a bit so that it is nice and colorful. If you guys are familiar with me, you guys know I love to entertain. I love to have people over. And one place that I intend to have all my girlfriends this year over to the house is to my pool. So yeah, I'm so excited. Tan lines, night swims, you know, the whole 9 yards. I love it. So I want to share with you guys what I purchased. I have everything sitting here on the bench next to me. If you guys hear like bumping or anything in my house, I have somebody in my attic right now, and I have been waiting for them to come out of the attic. But if I keep waiting, my day is going to be gone. So I'm going to share with you guys what I purchased from Five Below and why I am so excited. You guys will see. If anything that us women have in common is shopping. So the first thing that I bought were these cushions, and I absolutely love the color of these cushions. This is the round cushion, and this is going to go on the back of my chairs. And then I bought two of those because I have two ginormous wicker chairs that I sit in all summer long by the pool. I absolutely love them, but we need new cushions so badly. And for $5 a piece, that's cheaper than I can get them anywhere else, and I just love this color. So I got two of those, and I'm laying it on the table in front of me here so that I can work my way down through this pile. Then I got two of these really pretty striped pillows. These are going to go on the seats because they're square. And I thought, these are so pretty, and they're very vibrant, and I love the contrast between, you know, this and this. Hopefully you guys can see that okay, but I am really psyched about the cushions. I think it's really going to make a huge difference. The other thing that I purchased was these lanterns. And these are so adorable. They have the, you know, the faux candle inside of them, and I don't have to worry about the weather getting to them or anything like that. They are plastic, but I think it'll be perfect by my pool and will look really, really cute outside on what you'll see, what I'll show you next. But anyways, I got two of the lanterns. I thought they were so cute, and I couldn't pass those up. Let's see. And then the next thing is that for a couple years now, our lighting outside needs to be replaced. And what I mean by lighting is that we have like decorative string lights outside. I think at night it just really adds to the ambiance of, you know, of the area, and just makes it look really cute and festive. And so I bought 6 boxes of lights. I'm not sure if I'm going to need 6 boxes of lights, but these are the ones that I bought. They are 15 count globe lights, and I'll try to hold it up so you guys can see. And then this is a picture of them on the back. But I'm I'm going to string these over top of my patio area as well as stringing them on my deck. But I bought 6 boxes of these, and hopefully it's enough. I think it will be. I think this says that it's 8 feet, so it should be good. And I think it'll look really adorable once I get it out there and put it all together. And then I bought, lastly, they had these tables. Now, my deck is kind of small and kind of sort of cramped. Not really cramped, but just not very big, and so we always need a table to put our drinks on, or our suntan lotion, or our sunglasses, or our wireless speakers. And so I absolutely thought that these tables would be so cute. They come unassembled, but if you'll see on the back, that's what they look like when they are assembled. I don't know if you guys can see the white on the front, but I'll try to hold it up so you guys can see the picture on the front. But I think that that will be really, really cute. I bought 2 of those. One for my main patio, which you go out my back door, there's the main patio, and then you walk on, and then you go upstairs, and then I have a big, well, not a big, but a nice deck that is built onto our pool. And so I thought it'd be nice to have some tables. But that is all I purchased, but I wanted to share with you guys because if you have a Five Below near you, you need to go and check them out, because as soon as they get this stuff in, they blow out of it. In fact, they had these cushions in a really pretty pink color, but they were completely sold out. I was going to get the pink, but then, well, I ended up with the blue. But it's okay because I really am happy with the blue, and I think I'm going to spray paint my chairs blue to match the cushions. That's debatable right now. So look forward to watching one of my vlogs, and I will be sharing with you guys my little mini makeover of my deck and my patio area. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you part as Kiddos Koral, and hit that like button if you love watching hauls like these. Who knows, maybe I'll do future Five Below hauls for you guys if you enjoy this. Hope y'all are doing well. I hope it's warming up where you guys are at, and I hope it's not raining where you're at like it is here. So I'll be talking to you guys again soon. Bye, guys.